This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain the Moza SGP Sequential shifter. This impressive piece of sim racing hardware is crafted entirely from aerospace-grade aluminum and high-strength steel, ensuring exceptional durability. It offers versatile connectivity, plugging directly into your PC via USB or seamlessly integrating with compatible Moza wheelbases. You will find two customizable RGB backlit buttons and a handy multi-function lever, adding extra control to your racing setup. It is a robust and feature-rich option for serious sim racers. The Moza SGP boasts a premium construction, utilizing aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel for maximum durability. Its core technology includes a non-contact Hall sensor, which guarantees precise and consistent shifting performance without any mechanical wear over time. You will also appreciate the two integrated RGB backlit buttons, offering 8 distinct color choices for personalization. Plus, a clever multifunctional lever provides an additional input, perfect for assigning functions like neutral or reverse. When it comes to performance, the Moza SGP delivers a smooth, firm, and realistic shifting feel, complete with satisfying tactile feedback. Customization is key, and this shifter offers excellent adjustability. You can modify the shifter arm's height by up to 64 millimeters to find your perfect ergonomic position. Furthermore, an internal bolt allows you to fine-tune the shifting resistance, tailoring it to your exact preference. The standard M12 threaded knob is also easily replaceable with many aftermarket options. Before making a decision, consider a few points. The Moza SGP produces a distinct click sound with each shift, which many racers enjoy for its immersive feel. While early units had a lighter multi-function lever resistance, this has been addressed in current production models. Overall, this shifter provides exceptional value, often outperforming more expensive alternatives. Configuring your settings is straightforward using the intuitive Moza Pit House software, where you can easily assign button functions and customize lighting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.